Hi Joe, just wanted to take a look at your presentation, see what's going on here, why it doesn't seem to click right. Here's what I'm talking about, is when it comes up I get this mouse, the little pointer, which is where I can click things, but then I try to mouse over the middle of any of this text and it won't, it won't click. Like if I click on the wrong part, it just finishes the slideshow. So it's hard to find like the actual button, and I don't know what's going on here. Seems like it's not showing. So some of it does work, but some of it doesn't quite work. So I'm going to take a look at some of these things. One of the ways you can just make sure you are looking at the right thing is to go to these little shapes and just kind of see what's going on with them. So I'm clicking on selection pane under shape format, and this gives me an idea to where I can see what's going on. I'm actually going to format these rectangles to have. Oh yeah, so that's what's going on here. That rectangle needs to have a solid fill like this. Okay, and then what we do is instead of doing no fill, we have a solid fill, and we make the transparency 100%. And if we do that, then at least it's still got a fill on it, and at least we can still see it, or at least it can still respond to the click. I talked about this in class a bunch of times. So I think that's what you're running into, is just that didn't have a solid fill. But let's try it out now. Eastern Division should work better now that I have changed that. Yeah, see, now that I'm mousing over Eastern Division, it's an active link throughout the whole thing rather than just on the edges of it. And that's because it has a solid fill now. So if you change all of the rectangles to be like that, then you should, you'll get full credit for this project because that's the only thing you were missing.